You want to learn how to fry plantains? This is a step-by-step video for you. Watch to the end. So to choose the right plantains, you want them to look like this. You want them to this ripe, okay? This is not overripe, they're still firm, they're still hard. Now I'm going to peel them off. So you cut the two ends and you peel like this. Ripe plantain is easy to peel. See? So it's a perfect plantain to fry. This is the way I cut them to get more out of them. You cut like this. Here, I have the oil preheating and I'm using vegetable oil. Now the oil hot, I'm going to drop the plantains one by one. So I'm going to make them fry for 2 minutes on this side, then flip them over for another 2 minutes on the next side, so a total of 4 minutes. Okay, when you see them look like this, you want to start to turn them over. When you see the top part change from this color, you start to turn them over. So you see, they have a perfect color now. Now I'm going to make them fry for 2 more minutes on this side and take them out. Alright, now it's time to take them out. As you could see, these one fried to perfection. So now you start to take them out. And you want to make sure you put them on paper towel to absorb the excess oil, okay? So here you have it, plantains fried to perfection. Nice and sweet.